Hi there, lovely viewers. Faye Yinami, and a happy new year to all of you. And especially warm welcome to you, my cherished subscribers. Now, talking about welcome, today we're going to see that the Ewe people have two ways of saying welcome. The most common one is Wòezɔ, but there is also Wòede. What is the difference? Join me as we unpack this. So let's start with the more popular one, Wòezɔ. Wòezɔ. Wòezɔ is broken into three words. Wo. Wo is you. You in the singular. A is a form of a verb that says is, or it is you. It is. Zon is walk. Wòezɔ simply means it is you who have walked. Literally, you walked to my house or to me, and so Wòezɔ, you're welcome. This is typically used when someone who does not live with you or who is usually not with you comes to you or when you meet. So let's see a few applications of this. You may walk into a shop, you may walk into a school or a business center, or you may just go and visit family or friends, and then they would say Wòezɔ if you're alone, or Mia Wòezɔ if you're more than one person. You're not with them every day, you don't live with them, and so they would say welcome, Wòezɔ, Wòezɔ, Mia Wòezɔ. Let's look at the other one. Wòede. Wòede. De is to go somewhere. And so you have gone somewhere and come back. So perhaps you live with me at home or you live with someone at home. You went away and then you came back after some time. So they're welcoming you back, but also acknowledging the fact that you went away somewhere. So Wòede. Wòede. This is very short, very simple. For those who are home with you, say Wòede when they come back from being somewhere for a while. For those who don't live with you, you can say Wòezɔ or Mia Wòezɔ. If you're married to an Ewe person and their family comes to visit, or your in-laws come to visit, you can say Mia Wòezɔ or Wòezɔ. If your husband goes to work and comes back, or your child goes to school and returns, you can say Wòede, Wòede. I hope you have learned something new. Practice this with your friends. Keep practicing. Happy learning.